back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy that you're here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, I'm just doing basically things that I've seen in my comments. So, something that I've been seeing in my comments is people have been asking me how to do a hair and lip template. People are having issues with that. Let me show you. First things first, depending on what your script is looking like, you're going to need to set that up however you do. But I'm going to show you how to do the template. Let's start. I already have my background. So this is what I notice works for me. Other things may work for you. I know there's more than one way to do stuff, but this is what works for me. So before I even put in my character, I'm going to do the template automatically. So the template I use is the Dara Amarie one. I know there's multiple different templates out there that you may like, and if you like those, use that. I, for one, love the Dara Amarie template. That's just me. So let's copy and paste that code into the script. So I have the Dara Amarie hair and lip code in pasted into my script. Now I know there's a hair one for hairstyle and lip. They have hair color and lip color. She has three different type of ones. So go to her website, daraamarie.com, see which one you like. It makes sense for your story and what you want your user to be able to customize. You do that, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so now that we have this template here, first thing you want to do is, depending on what you're using, you're going to use, if you have a Mac, you use Command F, and if you have a regular computer, you use Control F. So the first thing we need to do here is change the female avatar, right? So female avatar, we need to get rid of it. We need to put our character's name in there, right? And since it's a female template, we're going to use for females, okay? You don't want to use for a female avatar and use it for male one, okay? So use Command F and you click all. This is again for MacBook. If you're using for MacBook, sorry. If you're using like an Android or whatever the case may be, you would use Control F, okay? But again, I'm using MacBook. I'm going to use Command F. Then I will click all. Okay, so now all female avatar is highlighted. Next, I'm going to put in my character's name, which is Candy. Okay, and that's it. So now that I did all of that, now I want to code my character in. So I'm going to put I'm going to put Candy stands screen center and Candy faces right, and hands on hip. Let's do, oh no, that's handcuffed. Let's do hands on hip. There we go, neutral. And then I'm going to put in my zoom. Obviously customize, how you want it, do what you want. I'm going to paste this code here. I'm just setting up my scene. Okay. And that looks good. So let's save. Okay. So now we have an error. It says no hair called pigtails braided exist. So what I learned, and I had to research, Episode for some reason changed the name of the hairstyle, so it's no longer called pigtails separated. It's still called pigtails, but now you have to get rid of the space and lowercase the t. Okay, so when you get this error right here, it's because they changed the hairstyle in episode. Don't know why they did that. So make sure you change that if you get that error. Let's save and preview. Okay, now it looks like it works. See? So now let's go back to styles. So let's go to lipstick, matte. Let's change it to where we want. That's cute. Hairstyle. Do what you want. Special dye. Ooh, they got different color ones. Nice. I haven't been on this in a while, guys, so this is kind of new to me, so I'm just playing around. They got a couple new cute stuff here. Okay, let's do that. And boom. I look amazing. I look perfect, whatever. And That's the hairstyle and lipstick one. It's super easy. So again, make sure when you going in, when you use her template, this is Dara Amarie, make sure you give her the proper credit. You make sure you highlight Command F if you're using Mac, Control F if you're using like Android Windows, and you make sure you change the name from female avatar to the name of the avatar that you're using. Okay, that's what you want to make sure you're doing. Yeah, and it's really super easy. So I hope this makes sense for you guys. I hope you love it. If you guys have any questions or you're experiencing any errors, please leave a comment down below. I will do my best to help you, but the best way to reach me is via Instagram. I will link it in the description box and around here somewhere. Thank you guys for coming back. I appreciate you guys so much, and I love you, and thank you so much, and see you next time. Goodbye.